Foundation. The Research Research Foundation is about what? Disability inclusion, and that's why I'm here. Straight to the point why I'm here is that looking at me, who do you see? You see a lady on a wheelchair, right? If you see me on the road, what will you look at me like? Person with disability, right? Or disabled person, right? We don't use the word disabled, rather I say person with disability. So I am here to educate you and also want you to give me your help. I wasn't born like this. I had accident in 2019 and I sustained what they call spinal cord injury. I know many of you do integrated science, biology. You remember your central nervous system, right? You see how it's important to human life. So when I had accident, my own was cut at the back. So the level where it was cut is not affected from my waist down that I'm using a wheelchair today. So because of the experience I have discovering and navigating life, and I know that many of us, so I'm not saying because of the experience that it's good that I form what is called the Disability Inclusion Club in secondary schools. So what I am here now is to educate you, sensitize you that there is a need, which we're all saying. Looking at me now, you say I can't go to school. You say because I cannot be able to see, I don't need to go to school. Or if I cannot hear, I will not be able to go to school. Yes, there is a special needs school, but I'm here so that you be a change agent. What I mean change agent is that you understand what disability is all about. You understand the different types of disability. So that when you see anybody, you know bully them. Because I know sometimes you bully each other without not knowing the pain or the mental torture you are giving to a person with disability. So why I'm here is also to set up a club. The club will be what? Disability Inclusive Words Club. You can call the name Global Ability Network. Many persons are not born with disability. We have some disability that through birth, the people are what? Born with disability like autism, cerebral palsy, and all the rest. And some can be by accident, physical one like my own. But even if this thing happens, do we have right to still live like normal person? Good. So since you know we have that right, how can you make the environment comfortable for me and you? That's why I'm here. Tomorrow you'll be president, you'll be governor, you'll be minister, so that you will know what it means that you need to make person with disability to be inclusive. Inclusive in the sense is that if I don't have a wheelchair, will I be able to be here? So this is what we call assistive devices that helps persons with disability. Different kinds of disability has its own different things. So I'm here that will educate you about disability, types of disability, how you can manage it. Not that you have it, but have the knowledge that when you see someone or tomorrow you're in an office, you can be able to make an informed and a better decision, which will include all of us. If I'm a teacher today in your school, will I be able to navigate easily? That is what we are talking about. And this cannot happen without you not knowing about it. It's me and you that will make our community better, Nigeria a better place. And how can it be better? Because I am here to make you know about it. And we are going to share experience together. So in the club, it's not going to be something that is going to be too tedious. I will share the topic, we'll discuss it, I will enlighten you. But one of the things is that I want serious-minded students. If you are not serious with your studies, don't come and join me. Are you understanding me now? You have to be serious. For you to be a change agent, you have to be serious while you are in school. Because if you are serious while you are in the school, you can be able to make something meaningful out of your life. Many of you now will say that you are in school because your parents sent you. True of us. Then let me ask you, those that their parents are not able to send them, they want to go to school. You and the person, what's the difference? Leave the answer to yourself. Do you understand? So if you're in school environment, make use of it. Some of us will sit badly. Sitting badly can cause you spinal cord injury. You see all this reckless fighting, you lift somebody up and hit the person on the ground, you can sustain spinal cord injury or any kind of disability. So we don't want you to be a person with disability. I for here, I don't want you to be. But why I'm here is I want you to help the society be a better place, a better place. The way you relate to us, the knowledge you have, and how tomorrow, even if it happens to your neighbor, you will not come and close your eyes. You can be able to give one or two advice on how those people can navigate life. Many of us with disability are locked inside the house. Not because they don't want to care, they don't know what to do. And one of the things that happens to person with disability, you cannot walk, you cannot do anything, you're lying down on the bed, you develop another sickness called bed sore, and bed sore kills faster. What is bed sore? Somebody is lying down one place, sweating, breathing, pooping, the skin starts peeling. From peeling, it starts rotting. From rotting, you see what? Infection, and you see the bone. So now, if I'm a person with spinal cord injury, people don't die easily with spinal cord injury. They die from that bed sore. Do you understand? You enter the room, it's oozing, it's smelling. It's not the person, it's not because the person did not, it's that sickness, it's that thing that caused it. But if you are here now, you have an elderly person, you have aunties and uncles and one in the house, you go one day and say, "Auntie, I learned something." Or yeah, you push the person and use pillow to support so that the back can have what? Air. You are making the person weak. The person will not forget you. So please, I'm pleading to all of you. This work of disability inclusion is for all of us. That's why the slogan for the foundation is all inclusive, no exception. Do you understand? As at 2019, I finished school. I've worked for more than 10 years before this accident happened. I cannot imagine this thing happen, but it has happened. Do I have to start crying and be in the house? No, life continues. That's why I will say what? There is what? Ability in disability. So I'm challenging all of you here as a student. You don't have an excuse not to take your studies serious. Are you all with me? You don't have an excuse. Insult your teachers or wandering around the school. No. If you know why you're here, take it serious. So tomorrow in future, you can be doing this and doing it in many other schools. Because this is a continuous task. It's a continued engagement till you get it. Are you all understanding me? So now, how many of you who have interest, since you have a little background idea of what disability is all about and what we are going to talk? And what I want to do is that whatever I'm doing in your school is what I'm doing in other schools. We share the same thoughts, the same ideas, so that in the near future we can have quiz. So if you are coming, you are not serious, and another school take the position, will you be happy? But the most important thing I want is to impart you the knowledge. Okay? It's not just to come because let me just join the club. No. I won't risk tax myself to come out and you come, you'll not be interested, or you'll be making noise, or you'll not concentrate. At least 30 minutes, you'll be able to have at least 5 points in a day, which can resonate within you. I know you're having something that day to go. So how many of you is voluntarily, not forcing, that want to join the Disability Inclusion Club? It's voluntarily. All right, that's great. So what's happened now is that
so at this point now, the principal is asking, how do I want to get their numbers? I think it's better if we can get the people that are interested today. They will have their names. So that the next week when I'm coming to start,
disability. We are not saying that you will be disabled. That is not what we are saying.
So during the
But it is to equip you with the knowledge and understanding that wherever you find yourself, here or in future, you should be able to help people that are in this condition. So she is establishing a club, disability inclusive club in this school.
greatest
You understand?
strength. I always say
So
I'm
we are going to get
take
us
the
a
student.
matron or a
The
patron
number of students
that
that
will
taught
oversee the club in this school, whereas she will
70
be
students
also, she will also be coming
in afterwards, I
whenever
was
we
sent
have
the principal,
meeting to
please,
speak
are
to
you
you.
sure these people will
Is that
come?
okay?
I
So
said, yes, they
as we are
will.
dispersing back to your class, I want
I say,
everybody that want
I
to be
am not shocked.
member of that club, I want to see
The
you
student
here.
proposed to me at the
Others
same
can
time.
go back if
It's
you're not
also a good thing
ready to be
because
member. But those that want to be
the
member,
more the
please
merrier.
come so that we'll
In
get
the
your
sense that
names.
the more